Okay, guys, I'm back. It's Ty Brown, TysPlanes.com. Listen, I've got that whole system installed on it's the model train technology system installed on this turnout. So you see there's nothing you can see there. What I've got here is, I told you before about the control boxes that he makes to simulate like a control box sitting on the side of the track. I just couldn't make it look good because it does not go with the era of time that I would have something between the tracks. So what I've done is I have taken the detectors out of their protective little housing, and I've installed them beside the track here. They will eventually be covered. You won't even be able to see them. He says, I talked to Jim, and he said he also makes one that it just puts a little, you can make it where it puts a little sensor here in the middle. I did not know he had those. But I went ahead and installed these here. I can camouflage them. You'll never see them. But that's that. I installed the rest of the system right here underneath the bench work. Now it works good. Let's see here. I'm gonna use, that's the wrong one. Let me do this one first. Okay, that activated the switch. All right, I'm gonna pull the other car over the switch, and it moved it the other direction. So I had two test cars back there. You can hear it run. And it'll stay that way until a car comes across this other one. So it doesn't matter how many come this way, nothing's going to change. So as long as that line's active, there's nothing, it will not change over until a train comes from the other way, other side, and you can hear it there. So that's just little test cars I use to test the system. Now it does take a little bit because I was having trouble getting it to recognize the shadow or the car itself. So there's some pots or I forgot what he called them on the back that you have to dial until you get them dialed in to recognize the distance or the fact that the car is coming over. It took about 2 or 3 tries and I got it working. So it all works fine. Now I'm just going to do some track, work around the track there to camouflage a little bit better. I got a lot of scenery to add to this. So I just want to let you know the system's working well. You won't be able to see it at all. It has a memory, so when I have everything wired together, when I cut it off, and then I turn the whole system back on, it should hold up to the previous where you left everything. Everything should work fine. All right, I just want to give you an update on it, show you that you can put it. Don't have to use control boxes. Like I said, he says he has sensors that you can put in the middle of the track with a wire that does the same thing as these little control boards do. I just figured I could use what I had here because my layout's big enough to handle that. Anyway, hope this helps. Like I said, Ty Brown, TysPlanes.com. Got any questions, you can contact me through my website. Thank you very much.